Semantic System is a technology company based in Switzerland. They are doing research in the field of artificial intelligence. This video shall explain and show how far artificial intelligence can go regarding cognitive learning and natural speaking. AI1 is the fundamental theory and technology where our dialogue robot is built on. Our goal was to build a language-independent dialogue system. Our solution shall be autonomic, spontaneous, cognitive adaptive learning enabled so that we can hold a spontaneous dialogue. Of course, our system needs a knowledge base and a vocabulary, otherwise we will not be able to talk to it. Let's assume for a moment that we do have this intelligent data space, and let's talk about how we shall train this robo in order to start our dialogue. Will our robo become intelligent just because we feed him books, thesauries, libraries, articles, etc.? To our knowledge, it's not done by dumping information to the robo. He needs the interaction with the trainer, with the tutor. He needs to know about right and wrong. He needs to make assumptions, and he needs to have the control whether his assumptions are right and wrong. We like a behavior like a human, so we have to train him like a human. Let's see how we train our computer the difference of 6 animals, where 3 live in houses and 3 live in the zoo. It's important to understand that we teach the system by naturally speaking. We started at zero knowledge and teached with small sentence like dogs living in houses, elephants living in the zoo, like we would teach a 6-year-old child. The basic technology AI1 is language independent. However, for the following demonstration we had installed the German-speaking DLLs. So the background talking is in German and I will translate everything into English. The capability of our dialogue robot is recognizing the content, understanding the meaning, deciding about its importance, and knowing what to do with this learned information. Left hand side you see the dialog box to the robo program. May we point you to the right hand side where you can see that the program is only about 300 kilobyte big. There are no other program parts, that's all we need for an intelligent dialogue. Now we are live in the dialogue. This is the area where we see the log file. Here we have the chat box. This is the part where unsorted knowledge will appear, and right hand side we will see the answers right here. Now we are loading a database, which is a dialogue we held 15 minutes ago, and it's only 500 kilobyte big and contains the whole dialogue we already had before. We use this dialogue as knowledge base, and I will type some questions now and the system will answer. I will translate its answers. First I'm asking the system, what are animals? The answer is correct. The system lists the 6 names of the animals. Now I'm asking, where do lions live? Again, the answer is correct. They live in the zoo. Now I'm asking, who else lives in the zoo? Lions, giraffes, elephants live in the zoo. Answer is correct. Now I'm asking where dogs live. And also here, the answer is correct. Dogs live in the house. Now I'm asking who else lives in the house. And again, the answer is correct. Rabbits, cats and dogs live in the house. So here my question comes, where animals live overall, and the answer is right, they live in the zoo or in the house. So finally we ask, who else lives in the zoo? And the answer is correct. It's elephants, giraffes and lions living in the zoo. Now I will show you how spontaneously the system will react. I will write in English now, although we're still using the German language interpreter. I'm only writing 3 sentences with an indirect association between the 3 sentences used for the answer. Since we only have 3 sentences, the system is not quite sure about the answer, although it's water listed in the green area. As soon as the system has more confirmation, it will list this answer in the red field, which stands for the answers where the system is sure about. This was only a short presentation about the capabilities of the new technology. Please do not hesitate to contact us in order to get more information about the new technology and have a live demonstration about the system.